지금 시간은 2026년 2월 3일 오후 11시 32분입니다. Accessing binary logs from Azure database for MySQL flexible server. Binary logs or bin logs are files that contain details about data modifications made to a MySQL server interface instance. And it includes information about all events that reflect database changes, for example, creating a database or table or other operations that change existing table data. Bin logs also contain other useful data such as error codes and metadata. Bin logs are responsible for logging data changes or events from the source MySQL database server. The replica server reads the bin log from the source server and stores them in relay logs until they are replayed on replica. Bin logs are also used for point-in-time recovery operation after data has been restored from a backup file. In addition, bin logs can be useful in troubleshooting or helping to identify specific transactions in any associated database. CDC tools such as Maxwell and Dubezium also use bin logs. These tools track data changes in real time. Through time, there can be a lag in reporting. The information can be used for copying data to other systems or for processing events. To process the bin log on a MySQL server, use the MySQL bin log utility to perform the following tasks. View the contents of the bin logs in text format. View the content of the relay log file. Generate a backup of the binary logs. In this point, you will learn how to read binary log live from Azure database for MySQL flexible server. Copy binary logs from prerequisites. Before you begin this process, be sure that you have creating an instance of MySQL, configuring the MySQL bin log utility is packaged as part of the MySQL server or MySQL server core packaging. It is also available in Archive available for download. For example, to install the MySQL bin log utility on Azure VM, run the following commands. How to read the event from binary logs live from the server. To read event from any binary log, perform the following steps. Connect to the Azure database for MySQL flexible server using the MySQL client or MySQL workbench. Run the following command. Show binary log events in limit 10. Notice that the detail displays that events type, the starting and ending position in the binary log file, and some information on the event type that was run against the database. How to copy bin logs from a MySQL flexible server. Connect to the MySQL server using the MySQL client or MySQL workbench. To list the binary logs available, run the following command. Conclusion. Using the information provided above, you should now be able to access binary log from Azure database for MySQL flexible server. Use the MySQL binlog utility to download and read these binlog files or to help set up your change data capture pipelines. As mentioned previously, binlog contain information about data changes that occur on a MySQL instance. Binlogs include all SQL statements that update the data and the detailed statements within the database. The information in the binlog can help you debug or troubleshoot based on specific events. If you have any feedback or question, jump, jump, jump. Unlocking AI-driven data accesses Azure database for MySQL Server support via Azure MCP servers. Step into a new era of data-driven intelligence with the fusion of Azure MCP Server and Azure Database for MySQL, where your MySQL data is no longer just stored, but instantly conversational, intelligent, and action-ready. By harnessing the open standard model uh, model context protocol, your AI agent can now query, analyze, and automate in natural language, access tables, surfacing insight, and acting on your MySQL-driven business logic as easily as chatting with a colleague. It's like giving your data a voice and your applications a brain, all within Azure's trusted cloud platform.